So here we have it. The exhaust. Trackslag exhaust system has arrived. Now this is a performance system, the older version, because the newer system has another silencer around about there, but I didn't want that section. Now as you can see, this is a beautifully flowing system, and I've gone for the OEM twin slanty tips on there. All comes with all the fitting kits, everything you need to do to fit it, including a nice email on how to fit them. So what we can do is get the back box mounted up first and go from there. So as we're under the car, what we do need to do is take off the original hanger and then mount on Trackslag hanger. And this fits up like so. Hold it onto there nice and tight. Now with this you've got the option of hiring the box to get it sitting higher. So it's just a case of putting some washers between the rubber and the mount. So I want to get this mounted up now. Yes, I am missing a heat shield, but that will be put on a later date. Alright, so there we go. That's mounted up there. So what I want to do next is put 2 of the supplied rubber O-shapes on there, and then we can get the exhaust mounted on. Right, so I'm also using a precautionary measure even. So what we got, these little wire rope things. These are you can get these from a company called Trackslag. If you Google it, you can find them. So what I'm going to do is hook them on there. The rubber will go over the top of that, and the rubber and that will go around the exhaust. So what this prevents is if the rubber, even though these are very good quality rubbers from Trackslag, very strong, if they do split and decide to fall apart, the exhaust isn't going to start banging around because it's going to be supported by that metal wire, and you'll hear it start making a different noise because obviously it's sat on that wire, and that's when you can then have a look at it. But it's just future proofing it, keeping it safe. So now we're going to get the on that, you hang the box. Right, so we've got the back section on, so what I need to do now is get the mid section on. Now if you remember the previous videos, I've made my downpipe slightly longer. So what we're going to do is hang at the mid section and then see how much I need to cut off that section to fit it on properly. So that's the Trackslag exhaust system all fully fitted up. And again, this is the earlier version of the performance one with no back box there. But you've got a beautiful smooth flow of exhaust gas there. The only thing I had to do was buy another clip, but I'll go and show that in a minute. So it's all up there, nice and tidy. I said all I've had to do is change that sleeve because the Trackslag system comes from 2.25 inch and connects to a standard 16v downpipe. Obviously my downpipe is 2.25 inch, so I just had to pick up a new sleeve to connect that over.